Child custody guidance during divorce, support, advice, and resources. Child custody during divorce is tough, but with the right support, advice, and resources, you can find hope and healing for your family's future. How to navigate child custody during divorce, support, advice, and hope. Hey, I want to talk about something a lot of people face, but don't always feel comfortable discussing: child custody during a divorce. It's one of those tough parts of a breakup that leaves many people feeling overwhelmed and unsure about what steps to take next. Maybe you or someone you know is going through this right now, and I just want to share some thoughts and guidance that could help. First off, it's important to realize that separation doesn't just change the relationship between partners. It completely reshapes family life, especially when kids are involved. Making decisions about custody can feel like navigating through a storm, where both parents want what's best but don't always agree on what that looks like. That's why getting divorce support groups or professional divorce counseling can make a huge difference. One thing I always emphasize is communication, as challenging as it might be. If you can find a calm and respectful way to talk through custody arrangements, it often leads to better outcomes for everyone, especially your children. Many times, courts prefer arrangements where parents try to work things out amicably before jumping into legal battles. This not only reduces stress, but also shows that both parents put their kids' well-being first. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't always easy. Angry feelings and hurt often cloud judgment, and sometimes professional help is exactly what's needed to bring clarity and calm. That's where divorce help and divorce assistance services come in. From mediators to counselors specializing in custody matters, these resources empower parents to find balanced and fair solutions. What should you keep in mind about child custody? The child's best interest is key. Courts and mediators focus on what's best for the child's emotional, physical, and mental health first and foremost. Flexibility is important. Sometimes schedules and arrangements need adjustments as kids' needs change over time. Document everything. Keep track of agreements, visitation schedules, and any communications to avoid misunderstandings later. Professional guidance helps. Whether it's legal advice, counseling, or support groups, you don't have to do this alone. Further, many parents find comfort and practical help through community networks and online resources that focus on divorce support and child custody guidance. It can be a place where you're reminded you're not alone, and others have navigated these waters before you. Finding hope amidst the challenge. Going through a divorce and custody decisions can feel like the end of the road, but it's actually a step toward a new beginning. If you're seeking comfort, inspiration, and practical advice during this journey, I highly suggest checking out Brokenness and New Beginnings. This book has helped countless parents find hope and healing when they thought they were at their lowest. Here's why I think it's so valuable. It addresses the emotional impact of divorce, not just the legal side. It offers real stories, practical advice, and encouragement. It guides you on how to rebuild your life and family relationships out of brokenness. If you or someone you know needs support, consider ordering your copy today to find hope and healing, and to remind yourself that even after the hardest times, new beginnings are possible. Remember, seeking out divorce resources and support isn't a sign of weakness. It's a smart step toward making the best life possible for you and your children. Whether it's talking to a counselor, joining a support group, or just reading something heartfelt that speaks to your experience, these helps all add up. You've got this, and there's a whole community ready to walk beside you.